Hi again, everybody. So in this video, I'm just going to go over all the resources that are in for the week 4 module, talking about the focus and everything that we are doing. So we are officially finished with the personal essay from the first 3 weeks. So we are starting our next essay unit, which is over a summary essay. So those summarizing skills, can we maintain one idea, and can we also understand the organization of what we are reading to be able to summarize it. So you have 2 writing practices and sort of journal approaches for this week. If you go into the first one, it's really getting you prepped for what we are doing for this summary essay. Okay, so when you officially turn in the final draft of that summary essay, you'll be summarizing the article, How to Increase Your Chances of Sticking with Resolutions. So I want you to go ahead and read that article, and then go ahead and start identifying 3 to 6 of the main points that are in the article. And remember, a main point is that main idea that's going to support the overall thesis and the overall focus of the entire purpose of the entire article. So you're not going to give me sort of a minor one that doesn't matter too much. You're really trying to pick and choose and to analyze what are those ultimate main points that support the purpose of that article. Okay, so it's reading it and identifying those main points and some pointers to help you find them. And then when you click on that link, it's going to take you to this article here. Okay, couple pages. So if I was you, I would print it off so you can highlight, annotate, but you could also highlight and annotate if you kind of copy paste this into a Google Doc. You can annotate that way, whichever way you prefer. And then let's go back into modules. There it goes. So and then the link to that article, I just kind of tabbed it underneath the first writing exercise just so it's there again. So you don't lose it, because you are going to come back to this article for the next 3 weeks. So we want to make sure we don't lose it. So it's just there again. That's what that second source is right here. Your next writing exercise, when we click into it, okay, is you reviewing this video source on quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing. Because if we are going to write a summary essay, we're going to have to do all 3 elements to do so. Okay, so in about a paragraph after watching the video, I want you to explain the difference between summarizing, paraphrasing, and quoting. What are those big differences, and how does it impact you as a writer? What do you have to know to be able to do all 3 of these skills when you are doing this kind of writing? So there's the one video right here that will, I clicked on the wrong thing, that's going to assist you with that. And then if you look at this sort of section right here, that also takes you into, this link. Sorry, that one right there that's tabbed over. That one also takes you to that same exact video that's in the assignment. So a couple different ways to find it. But then I also give you this video lecture that I did about a year ago, where I review paraphrasing, summarizing, and quoting. So you can look at that as well. So if you want an extra resource or an extra video explaining the difference between the 3, there are 2 videos for you to watch, whichever one you feel like sort of hits home with you and you understand the best. Both videos are there to assist you with that. And then this article, when you click on it, it's going to take you here. Okay, goes over summary in general. Okay, so your actual writing journal or writing practice for the exercise 3 here deals with quoting, paraphrasing, and summarizing. The pre-writing exercise here deals with the article that you're going to give the main ideas for. And then this summary writing PDF, I want you to read, annotate, and take notes over, because it's going to go over what a summary is. What is the essay that you're going to get ready to write? Okay, next week we will be outlining it, and then the week after you actually be drafting, submitting, and going from there. So those are basically your notes that you want to keep a hold of and analyze through, so you're successful when we actually start writing the process there. Okay, and then this again is just that same resource from last week about how to organize. So look over it again, glance at it, think about what are different ways that you would approach a summary organization. How would you organize a summary differently than how you organized your personal essay? Okay, so this week really is just focused on understanding what a summary is, understanding paraphrasing, quoting, and summarizing in general when we include it, with 2 exercises associated with that. Okay, so make sure you're emailing me with any questions that you have, especially as you're going through these resources. If you want me to expand on anything and provide sort of any additional explanations or examples, please let me know. I will be more than happy to do so. But you're not actually going to start outlining and working on the summary essay until next week. This week is just first understanding what is a summary and just first reading the article that the essay will be focused on, okay, within there. So let me know if you have any questions as you're working through your week 4 assignments, and have a wonderful day, everybody.